All right, let's talk about something we've all struggled with: workflow chaos. We are diving into a huge game-changing update for the high-level advanced builder. And look, if you've ever felt totally lost in a sprawling, tangled workflow, this is for you. We're talking about making your builds faster, tidier, and just a whole lot smarter. So let's be real for a second. Every great workflow, it starts out simple, right? A few branches, a couple of actions. But then it just grows. And before you know it, what was supposed to be a masterpiece looks more like a messy plate of spaghetti. We've all been there, zooming in and out, trying to follow the lines, and getting completely lost in our own creation.
And the pain was real. I mean, do you remember trying to disable just one little branch for a quick test? You had to click, and then click, and click your way through every single node. And tidying up the layout? Forget about it. That meant dragging each element one by one, trying to get the spacing just right. It was so tedious and a massive drain on time you should have been spending on strategy.
And this really gets to the heart of the entire update. The whole idea is that working on a large canvas should feel fast. It's a simple thought, but it's so powerful, right? Your tools shouldn't be the thing slowing you down. The goal here is pure speed and efficiency, letting you build at the speed of your ideas, no matter how big or ambitious they get. And this is the result. Just imagine selecting an entire section of your workflow and disabling it with a single click, or instantly tidying up a chaotic branch so it looks perfect. That's what we mean by fast refactoring. We're talking about making massive changes to your workflow's design and function in literally seconds, not minutes.
Okay, so let's get into the new toolkit that actually makes all of this possible. This update gives you 3 super powerful new actions that are about to become your secret weapons for managing even the biggest, most complicated automations you can dream up.
So it really breaks down into these 3 key things. First, we've got bulk actions, which are all about controlling entire sections at once. Second, precision formatting, so you can finally bring some order to that chaos. And third, instant labeling, which makes your workflows super easy to understand at a glance. Let's dive into each one.
First up, bulk enable and disable. Seriously, this is an absolute game changer. All you do is drag a selection box over any part of your workflow, maybe it's a complex follow-up sequence you want to pause, and with one click, you toggle the entire thing on or off. It's perfect for A/B testing new paths or safely deactivating parts of an automation without having to delete anything. Next, let's talk about selective formatting. You know how the main format button cleans up your entire canvas? Well, sometimes that's just overkill, isn't it? This new feature lets you select just one messy section and snap it into perfect alignment, only for the nodes you've highlighted. All your other carefully arranged sections, totally untouched. It's all about precision control. And finally, we've got quick add sticky notes. We all know how crucial good documentation is, especially when you're working on a team. Instead of manually adding a note, resizing it, and moving it, you can now just select a group of nodes, right-click, and boom, a perfectly sized sticky note drops right behind them. It's the fastest way to label exactly what a branch does, like new customer onboarding or cart abandonment sequence. So the big question, why does this all matter? How do these seemingly small features create such a big impact? Well, it's all about removing friction to totally unlock your productivity. We're talking about a fundamental shift from slow, one-by-one edits to powerful, sweeping changes. And the payoff is so simple and direct. You're going to work faster, you are going to save a ton of time by getting rid of those repetitive, mind-numbing edits, and maybe most importantly, your workflows will be way cleaner and more organized, which makes them so much easier for you and your team to understand and manage down the line. Now, one really crucial detail to remember, these powerful new features, they're exclusively in the Advanced Workflow Builder. So if you're not seeing these options, just double check that you're in the advanced view. That's what unlocks this whole new toolkit. So there you have it, a faster, tidier, and way smarter way to manage your automations. Now that the friction of editing those complex builds is gone, the question isn't really how you'll manage your canvas anymore. The real question is, what incredible new workflow are you going to build with all that time you just got back?